The first one on the list is Winnebago Forza. It's a spacious and luxury Class A designed for adventure seekers. With its sleek exterior and modern amenities, it's the perfect companion for road trips. But what makes it stand out from the rest? Could it be its powerful diesel engine, providing both efficiency and strength for long journeys? Step inside and you'll find a world of comfort and convenience. From the cozy sleeping quarters to the fully equipped kitchen, it's like a home on wheels. With a starting price at $361,072, Winnebago Forza is perfect for those who value both luxury and functionality in their travels. But wait, there's more. How about the ample storage space for all your gear and essentials? And let's not forget the panoramic windows, offering breathtaking views of the great outdoors. So, if you're ready to hit the road in style, the Winnebago Forza awaits. The Prevost Motorhome is another luxurious marvel on wheels. With sleek design and plush furnishings, it redefines comfort on the road. How does it manage to blend elegance with functionality so seamlessly? Every detail seems carefully crafted for the ultimate travel experience, and its durable structure is definitely a plus. What about its performance? Powered by a Volvo D13 powertrain, it glides effortlessly down the highway. But what truly sets it apart is its versatility. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country adventure or hosting a mobile retreat, it adapts to your every need. Isn't that the essence of true luxury? With the Prevost Motorhome, the journey becomes as extraordinary as the destination. At number 3 on our list of luxury motorhomes is Foretravel Motorcoach Presidential Series Realm FS605. Step into this RV and experience luxury that knows no bounds. This motorhome is not just a mode of transport, it's a mobile mansion. Can you imagine living in such splendor while exploring new horizons? Its interiors are crafted with the finest materials, and the attention to detail by its licensed ASID interior designer is simply breathtaking. But what really makes it stand out? It boasts an advanced suspension system that ensures a smooth ride no matter the terrain. Plus, its cutting-edge technology includes multiple entertainment systems and smart home features. Add to your surprise, the 2025 Foretravel Realm FS605 is listed at a manufacturer's suggested retail price of $1,535,990. Ready for a journey that combines comfort with high tech? The Realm FS605 is waiting to take you on an unforgettable adventure. Now, let's discover the epitome of road-bound elegance with Newmar's 2024 King Aire. With a price starting at $1,615,360, this stunning motorhome blends modern luxury with timeless style. How would you like to travel in a vehicle that feels like a 5-star hotel? The King Aire offers just that. With its luxurious interiors featuring leather furnishings and custom hardwood cabinetry. Its powerful diesel engine with 605 horsepower ensures a commanding presence on the road, while the state-of-the-art safety features provides peace of mind. Are you ready to explore the world in unmatched style and safety? Newmar's King Aire promises an extraordinary travel experience, making every journey as luxurious as the destination. The next motorhome that we're going to discuss is the 2024 Newell Coach P50. This RV sets a new standard for luxury motorhomes. Are you ready to own the road with this exquisite masterpiece? It combines avant-garde aesthetics with functionality, creating a perfect environment for both travel and relaxation. The P50 features a custom-engineered body that provides superior durability and comfort. Inside, you'll find an expansive living area, equipped with the latest in technology and convenience. Want to feel like you're in a rolling penthouse? From the customizable lighting to the integrated home systems, every aspect of the P50 is designed to cater to your luxurious lifestyle. Can you imagine a compact space that packs a punch of luxury? Well, this is what Grech RV's Strada Class B motorhome is. This small but mighty motorhome is perfect for those who seek adventure without sacrificing comfort. It's a high-end Class B RV starting at an MSRP of $239,900. How does it manage to offer so much in such a small package? The answer lies in its brilliant design, maximizing space and functionality. It features high-end finishes and appliances, making every inch count. Whether you're heading to a remote campsite or cruising the city streets, the Grech RV offers the perfect blend of mobility and luxury. So be ready to discover the big adventures waiting in this small wonder. Embark on a grand adventure with the 2024 Tiffin Phaeton 40 IH, where elegance meets engineering excellence. This motorhome is a true traveler's retreat, offering spacious living areas and state-of-the-art amenities. How would it feel to live in a space where every detail is designed for your comfort? The Phaeton 40 IH offers this with its luxurious fittings. It includes a king-size bed, a residential-style kitchen, and an advanced climate control system. With its added royalty, the 2024 Tiffin Motorhomes Phaeton 40 IH is priced at an MSRP of $512,797. Are you looking for a home that moves with you? The Phaeton 40 IH not only provides comfort, but also ensures efficiency and performance, making every journey a pleasure. Now, let's embark on a futuristic journey with the Winnebago Horizon, a motorhome that redefines outdoor travel with its sleek, modern design. Ever dreamed of exploring the wilderness without forsaking the comforts of home? The Horizon turns this dream into reality with its stylish interiors, contemporary furniture, and high-tech amenities. Powered by an efficient turbo diesel engine, it delivers robust performance across any terrain. Its intuitive navigation system ensures you never lose your path. Are you ready to blend innovation with luxury seamlessly? The Winnebago Horizon invites you to experience the great outdoors in unparalleled comfort. Additionally, the Horizon's stunning appearance is enhanced by its premier clear-coat automotive finish, available in either a traditional or contemporary design. Relax under the powered patio awning with a motion sensor and LED lighting, adding to the Horizon's allure and functionality. Experience the pinnacle of road luxury with the Millennium H3-45 RV. This motorhome is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and technology, designed for those who accept nothing but the very best. How does it feel to travel in a vehicle that turns heads wherever it goes? The Millennium H3-45 answers this with its stunning exterior and lavish interior that includes custom-made furniture and state-of-the-art entertainment systems. Powered by a Volvo D13 engine, it offers a smooth ride while ensuring you remain connected and comfortable. Ready to elevate your travel experiences to extraordinary levels? The Millennium H3-45 series awaits to impress you with its elegance and performance. Let's step into the Entegra Coach Cornerstone 45B and feel the essence of luxurious travel. This motorhome offers a unique combination of durability, style, and advanced technology. Imagine driving a home that responds to your voice commands and where every fixture speaks of elegance. And you know what? The 2024 Entegra Coach Cornerstone 45B originally hits the market at $926,363. The Cornerstone 45B features an impressive layout with multiple slide-outs, expanding the living space to provide a grandiose interior. Equipped with a powerful diesel engine and cutting-edge driving aids, it ensures your travels are safe and smooth. Are you prepared to redefine what luxury travel means? The Entegra Coach Cornerstone 45B is your gateway to a new level of road sophistication. Embrace the future with the Living Vehicle Pro EV, a motorhome that combines luxury living with eco-friendly technology. Are you looking to make a positive impact on the environment while indulging in comfort? The Pro EV is here to meet your needs with its solar-powered systems and sustainable materials. Yes, you heard it right. It offers 3,520 watts of solar capacity with 57.6 kilowatt-hours of energy storage. Inside, you'll find a spacious, modern design that includes all the comforts of a contemporary home, such as a fully equipped kitchen and a lavish bathroom. The starting price of the Pro EV motorhome is $299,995. With its electric powertrain, the Pro EV offers a silent, smooth ride. If you want to explore the world in a new, greener way, the Living Vehicle Pro EV leads the charge. Set off on an endless adventure with the Bowlus Endless Highways Performance Edition. This sleek aerodynamic motorhome is designed for those who crave freedom and style on the open road. How does it feel to have a home that is as mobile as you are, without compromising on luxury? The Endless Highways Performance Edition offers just that, with its lightweight construction and streamlined design, ensuring easy handling and fuel capacity. If we talk about the interior, you'll find a chic, minimalist view with high-end amenities that provide comfort and convenience. The Bowlus Endless Highways Performance Edition is your perfect travel companion for hitting the road in unmatched style. Step into the luxurious Marathon Coach number 1300 and discover a world where elegance and comfort meet high-performance travel. Are you ready to experience the epitome of luxury on wheels? This motorhome is a marvel of engineering and design, featuring handcrafted interiors and state-of-the-art amenities. Also, this top-notch RV has a price tag of around $2 million. With its sophisticated suspension system, the Marathon Coach provides a smooth and stable ride. Volvo D13 engine. Its robust engine is good for producing high torque at low RPMs. Every inch of Coach number 1300 is epitomized for luxury, from the plush seating to the gourmet kitchen. Whether you're traveling across the country or parking at a scenic spot, the Marathon Coach 1300 turns every journey into a 5-star experience. The next ultimate luxury motorhome that we're going to talk about is Liberty Coach Elegant Lady Ravello Triple Slide Edition. You can experience the height of sophistication with it. This motorhome is a masterpiece of design, blending classic elegance with modern functionality. Do you want to live in an environment that is as beautiful as it is comfortable? This RV is your go-to choice. The Elegant Lady Ravello has a lot more to offer, with its expansive triple slide layout that provides ample space and luxury. It features exquisite woodwork, custom-built furniture, and advanced technological systems for entertainment and comfort. Ready to embark on a journey that defines luxury travel? The Liberty Coach Elegant Lady Ravello is waiting to take you there. At last, we are introducing the DynaQuest XL 3700 RV, a robust motorhome built for those who demand durability without compromising on luxury. If you're looking for a vehicle that combines the ruggedness of a truck with the amenities of a high-end home, this is your perfect spot. The DynaQuest XL delivers with its heavy-duty chassis and luxurious interior appointments. When you get in, you'll find spacious living areas, top-of-the-line appliances, and sophisticated decor options. With enhanced safety features and powerful performance, the DynaQuest XL 3700 RB is ideal for adventurous travelers who want to explore without limits. Ready to take on the open road with confidence and style? The DynaQuest XL is your perfect adventure companion. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more incredible explorations into the future of luxury travel. Until our next journey, keep dreaming about the endless possibilities that innovation can bring to the open road.